Okay, shall we carry on with the lesson? So here we have, there are 6 lots of 3. Now, we don't have our pictures this time, do we? So we need to draw the pictures ourselves. Can you pause the video and draw me 6 lots of 3? Okay, have a go. Okay, shall we see if you were correct? So I've had a go, I've drawn dots. Here are my 6 lots of 3. Am I correct? Well, yes, I've got 6 groups, haven't I? And they're all equal because they all have 3 in them. So I've drawn 6 lots of 3. Now, what's the next sentence? Something multiplied by something. Well, how many groups do I have? I have 6. And how many in each group? Yes, 3. So I'm going to do 6 multiplied by 3. And if we're using the multiplication symbol, we need to do 6 multiplied or times by 3. Well done if you got that right. Fantastic. Now, let's check if we know the answer. So we're going to use our tens frame, which we use in class a lot, don't we? So we're going to add counters each time. So we're going to add 3 counters 6 times. So let's have a go. There's our first 3. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're going to fit another 3 in here, or we're going to need another tens frame. Going to need another one, aren't we? So 4, 5, 6. Now, what would be easier? Would it be easier just to count each counter? No, it wouldn't, would it? We know that in one tens frame there are 10 counters. So we know there's 10 in our first one. Now in our second one, we're missing 2 counters, which is 8. 10 take away 2 is 8. So let's do 10, add 8. Well, the answer's 18, isn't it? Fantastic, well done. Now, what I'd like you to do now is pause the video and have a go at questions 2 and 3 on the same worksheet as before. So resource 1, okay? Pause the video now. Okay, brilliant, let's carry on. So here we have these 2 girls back, and they've made an array again. Remember last time they made an array and we could do 1 times 24 and 2 times 12? Do you remember? Well, this time they made a different one. And the girl says, I think I can write 4 different multiplications. And the other girl said, no, I think there are 8. So I'm going to start you off again. So altogether, how many counters are there? Yes, that's right, there's 16 counters. So our first multiplication could be 1 multiplied by 16. I'd like you to pause the video now and see if you can think of any others that you could use with this, that you could have with this array. Okay, pause the video now and have a think. Okay, let's see if you were right. So, let's see. 1 times 16. I was right, there you go, there's our first one. What about 2 multiplied by something? Yes, that's right. We can make 2 equal groups of 8. Now, can we make 3 equal groups? Oh, no, we can't make 3 equal groups, can we? Not with these counters anyway, because 16 is an even number, isn't it? Fantastic. Now, what about 4 multiplied by? Yes, 4 multiplied by 4. There you go. There's our 4 multiplied by 4. Now, let's see what the other girl has to say now, because last time she said there were 8 different ways, didn't she? And the other girl said there was 4, but now there's only 3. So is there still going to be 8 different ways? Oh, so now she thinks there are only 3 more because the other girl found 3. She thought 16 multiplied by 1, 8 multiplied by 2. Now, why has she done those 2? Do they give the same answer? Yes, that's right. It's because multiplication is commutative, so you can have the numbers in either order and they give you the same whole, which is 16. Now, she's also said 4 multiplied by 4. Now, is that a different multiplication? Because the other girl said 4 multiplied by 4. So, no, it isn't. isn't, is it? Because 4 and 4 are the same number. So you can't change them round like the other ones, can you? So therefore, she cannot have 4 multiplied by 4 because the other girls already got it. Now, this question is our extension question. And you have one of these similar to this on the other worksheet I sent you, which is Year 2 Maths, 12th of January, Resource 2. But we're going to do a similar one so that you know what to do when you come to answering your own question. So here we have, Sadie needs 3 empty egg boxes for a school project. There are 5 eggs in each box, and she says, we must eat 30 eggs before I have enough empty boxes. So she needs 3 empty boxes, and each of them have 5 in each. Okay, so do you think she is right? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, so does she need to eat 30 eggs? Well, we need to do the multiplication 3 multiplied by 5, don't we? Because she needs 3 empty egg boxes and there are 5 in each. So 3 multiplied by 5. Does anybody know what that is? Yes, it's 15, isn't it? If we count up in 5s, 5, 10, 15, and the third one, we get to 15. So is she right? Does she need to eat 30 eggs? No, she doesn't, does she? She is incorrect because 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. She will only need to eat 15 eggs before she has enough. Now, I've got a question for you. How many would she need? How many boxes could she fill if she ate the 30 eggs? What do you think? Well, we need to find out what something times by 5 equals 30. Something times 5 equals 30. Let's try. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So she would need 6 empty boxes. So if she ate 30 eggs, that would be 6 empty boxes. Fantastic, well done. So what I'd like you to do now is to finish the first worksheet that you started, so resource 1. When you finish that, I want you to have a go at the resource 2 worksheet, which has a very similar question to the one that we've just done together now. Okay, brilliant. Thank you, Year 2. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next maths lesson. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.